central Johnston County, south central Franklin County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:45 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located from 6 miles out of White Forest to 7 miles northeast of Garner, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Wake Forest, Garner, Zebulon, Knightdale, Wendell, Roseville, Pilot, Emmett, and Flowers. This includes the following highways: Interstate 540 between mile markers 18 and 24. North Carolina Highway 264 between mile markers 20 and 25. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Franklin, Johnson, Nash, and Wake. Here are the 6 p.m. observations for the Northeast Piedmont. At the Raleigh-Durham Airport, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 98 degrees, the dew point 66, and the relative humidity 34%, producing a heat index of 101. The wind was southwest at 18 miles an hour, gusting to 28. The pressure was 29.86 inches and falling. At Burlington, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 96 degrees, the dew point 63, and the relative humidity 33%, producing a heat index of 97. The wind was southwest at 8 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.87 inches and falling. Elsewhere across the state this hour, at Charlotte, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 93. At Greensboro.
Okay. Random SVR for Wake County. Interesting, Raleigh.
Southeastern Johnston County until 8:45 p.m.
Looks like I was late to this one.
At 7:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles west of Fremont, or 11 miles east of Smithfield, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Goldsboro, Fremont, Walnut Creek, Micro, Selma, Pine Level, Kenley, Princeton, Lucama, and Black Creek. This includes Interstate 95 between mile markers 107 and 98. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Johnson, Wayne, and Wilson.
Listen.
This is NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards. Station WXL 58.
We know who's in Wilson.
162.
And we know Raleigh picks the times that things are the funniest to issue random SVRs. I didn't see what county this is for.
Life or property. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. However,
oh, WXL 50.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Cumberland County in central North Carolina, southeastern Hope County in central North Carolina until 9:15 p.m. At 8:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Rayford, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rayford, Antioch, Hope Mills, Bowmore, and Rockfish. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. National Weather Service possible with this.
I knew there was going to be an SVR for, what was it, Cumberland or Sampson? One of those two counties in the WXL50 area.